Graduates and guests, today's graduation ceremony is about to begin. Swinburne University of Technology Chancellor, Mr. Graham Goldsmith, will preside over the ceremony. The academic procession is about to enter the hall. Would you please stand?
Please remain standing for the national anthem. The words are printed inside the back cover of the ceremony program and will be displayed on the screen. Please be seated. My name is Professor Chris Pilgrim, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Education and Quality and Academic Registrar. I'd like to welcome you all to this graduation ceremony. This is one of 3 ceremonies the University is holding today for more than 700 Swinburne graduates. It is now my pleasure to introduce the people who are seated on stage. Seated at the centre of the stage is Mr. Graham Goldsmith, Chancellor, who will preside over this ceremony. The Chancellor is joined today by Professor Linda Christensen, AO, Vice-Chancellor and President of Swinburne University of Technology. Professor Ian Wallace, AM, Swinburne's Foundation Vice-Chancellor and donor of the Ian Wallace Research Medal Prize. Ms. Geraldine Farrell, University Council Member. Professor Hung Nguyen, AM, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology. Professor Bernadine van Gramberg, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Graduate Research and Research Training. Professor Duncan Bentley, Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Academic. And Dr. Andrew J. Smith, Vice President, Students. The other staff seated on stage are academics and professional staff who have played such a large part in the success of today's graduates. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Mr. Graham Goldsmith, Chancellor, Swinburne University of Technology, to formally open proceedings.
Vice-Chancellor and members of the University Council, members of staff, distinguished guests, graduates, families and friends. On behalf of Swinburne University of Technology, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this graduation ceremony. As a mark of respect to Australia's Indigenous people, Swinburne University of Technology respectfully acknowledges the Wurundjeri and Boonwurrung people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional custodians of the land where we now meet to conduct this important ceremony. I would also like to pay my respects to elders past and present of the Kulin Nation and extend that respect to all Indigenous people present today. Today's ceremony acknowledges the academic and research achievements of our students and represents a significant step in their lifelong learning journeys. We are very pleased that so many parents, families and friends have been able to attend, with, I am aware, many of you travelling to Melbourne from countries around the world for this special occasion. On the occasion of this ceremony, the Council and staff of the University wish to offer their congratulations to graduates on the achievement of their qualifications. For all of us, this ceremony is a significant milestone. For you, our graduates, it acknowledges the culmination of years of study, hard work and achievement. For parents, families, and friends of the graduates, this ceremony is an important recognition of all the support that you have provided. Today is an opportunity to celebrate this shared achievement. You, like we, will, I am sure, feel a great sense of pride and happiness in seeing your friend or family member succeed in this most significant way. For the academic and professional staff of the university, there is enormous satisfaction in seeing our students successfully complete their studies. And while this ceremony rightly celebrates the achievement of our students, it is also an important occasion for the university. Swinburne prides itself on the quality of its teaching and learning and the excellence of its research. This graduation ceremony allows Swinburne to publicly recognise our students who graduate with a range of high-quality, relevant educational qualifications. These qualifications are specifically designed to assist our graduates to gain employment, and more we see our graduating students confidently building businesses for themselves. As Swinburne graduates, you will have learned to collaborate, to listen carefully, to think critically, and to resolve conflicts through reason. Whatever your chosen career, these essential skills are critical to your future success and ongoing professional development. Swinburne is a nationally and an internationally recognised university in the fields of science, technology, design, business and innovation. We are highly ranked for our research excellence and well known for our engagement with industry. Our researchers collaborate actively with scholars at leading universities in many countries in different parts of the world. And through such collaborations, we open doors for our students and our researchers have greater social impact. Swinburne is an inclusive global university. We take pride in seeing our graduates from around the world pursue meaningful careers. And so, graduates, today you will join an international community of professionals who will make a difference. Thank you for the privilege of allowing us to contribute to your education and for enriching our community with your quest for knowledge. Could I ask all graduates to now please stand? By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Council of Swinburne University of Technology, I hereby admit you as graduates to the awards for which you have qualified and to all the rights and privileges of those awards. Congratulations. Thank you. Please be seated. It now gives me pleasure to call upon Professor Hung Nguyen, AM, Pro-Vice-Chancellor, Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology, to present the faculty's graduates.
Chancellor. It is with great pleasure that I present the graduates from the Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology. Your knowledge, enterprise and ability to innovate will define the future. We encourage you to remain engaged with your fellow graduates in Swinburne through our Alumni Association. We salute your achievement and congratulate you. All the best in the future. Well done. Chancellor, I have the honor to present to you the graduates on whom an award has been conferred.
For the Bachelor of Aviation, Max Oliver Haig. Amin Meran Maleki, Jake Nadrez, Jack William McGrath, Jason Tyler Page, for the Bachelor of Aviation Management, Anthony Hanna, for the Bachelor of Computer Science, Maria Claudette Yvonne Cacalda, Anthony Mai, for the Bachelor of Computer Science, Games Development, Sean Morris, for the Bachelor of Engineering, Civil Engineering, Murphy McLean Chris Gandege, Nguyen Quốc Cường Lê, Dominic Severia Mayowe, for the Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, Hanan Hosni, Ashan Madhuwanda Kumarage, Man Keung Le, Thiên Hùng Nguyễn, Trăng Phật Nguyễn, Jaya Ram Century, Robert William Tirta Sentana, Quốc Khánh Trần, for the Bachelor of Information and Communication Technology, Network Design and Security, Jacob Luke Shembry. For the Bachelor of Science, Caitlin Elizabeth Ingham. Mortaza Ahmad Shirdale. For the Bachelor of Science, Biochemistry and Chemistry, Laura Ann Vining. For the Bachelor of Science, Biomedical Science, Stavroula Gerakoulakos. For the Bachelor of Science, Games Development, Dane Perry Svensson. For the Bachelor of Aviation, Bachelor of Business, Samuel Ibrahim. For the Bachelor of Aviation, Bachelor of Commerce, Edward Michael John Doherty. For the Bachelor of Aviation, Management, Bachelor of Business, Nicholas Anthony Bennett. Benjamin John Howes. Borislav Kaplan. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Commerce, Sachin Kapoor. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Bachelor of Commerce, Mark Andrew Martins da Silva. For the Bachelor of Aviation, Honours, Anthony Kurt Power. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Biomedical Honours, Simay Burchak Akanja. Jacinta Jane Maloney. Nyasha Joan Gillian Rutsate. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Civil Honours, Cornelia Chong. Alexander James Coop. Anthony Rami Aith. Callan Michael Finn. Angela Mei Go. Jivandeep Singh Hardeep Singh. He Erich Lee Sieng. Patrick Liam Kemp. Kelvin Lik Dang Lao. Max Chien Sue Law. James Michael Lennox. Ronald Kok Hao Liao. Liam Brendan O'Malley. Scott Francis Sarah. Daniel James Shader. Courtney Isabel Venn. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering honours, Senadira Ataugage Samitjandra Senadira. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical honours, Jamie Zapp Allender. Boon Xian Chai. Brendan Kin Vang Dao. Yung Shen Lim. Asad Raihan Najim. Cristobal Leonardo Sierra. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Product Design honours, Yanni Dumas. Sean Edward Henry Hanlon. Kim Hannah Valerio. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Robotics and Mechatronics honours, Braden James Borg. Stephen Ronald Taylor. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Telecommunication and Network Engineering honours, Jonathan Richard Knight. For the Bachelor of Science honours, David Kaisar Boutros. Isaac Doyle. For the Bachelor of Engineering, Civil honours, Bachelor of Business, Nadim Abu Hussein. Luke Alexander Burke. Benjamin George Christodoulou. Gregory Georgiadis. Harrison Georgiou, Jackson James Grant, Joel Christopher Pilar, Kelvin Ginto Thomas, Braden Tsam, for the Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Honours, Bachelor of Business, Nathan David Beale, Matthew Gregory Box, for the Bachelor of Engineering, Robotics and Mechatronics Honours, Bachelor of Business, Gabriel Nathaniel Espinoza. For the Graduate Certificate of Aviation, Human Factors, Jason Thomas Cook. For the Graduate Diploma of Aviation, Human Factors, James David Frost. For the Graduate Diploma of Aviation, Management, Edmund James Phelps. For the Master of Aviation, Human Factors, Timothy Chibbs. Bly Andrew Ridge. For the Master of Aviation, Management, Emma Isabel Birra. For the Master of Construction and Infrastructure Management, Saad bin Mahmoud. For the Master of Construction Management, Jacqueline Kate Hayden. Eileen He. Fatima Nabhani. Reza Rasuli Gandomani. For the Master of Engineering, Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Azhar Ahmad. For the Master of Engineering Science, Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Gopi Rakesh Jenny. Ujjval Kumar Reddy Gundaka. Nagesh Babu Guram. Shiva Rama Krishna Gupta. For the Master of Engineering Science, Civil, Siddharth Malik. Vivek Simhal. For the Master of Engineering Science, Electrical and Electronic, Asad Ali. Sharik Amin. Zohaib Mustafa. Min Tam Jan. Ahmed Nawaz Virk. For the Master of Information Technology, Aoun Muhammad. Gita Raghavan. Chan Seung Chang. For the Master of Information Technology, Professional Computing, Hemdeep Kaur Bimbrao. Can Yui Pui. Komal Dilip Bhai Katnani. Zahiruddin Qazi Sayed. For the Master of Science, Applied Statistics, Cassie Jane McFarling. For the Master of Science, Astronomy, Alexander Cherney. Franco Di Dio. Jennifer Elaine Gull. Andrew Francis Harmon. Andrew John Redcliffe Jackley. Donald John Radford. Craig John Wallace. For the Master of Science, Biotechnology, Lavpreet Singh. Elmira Bordbach. Yogesh Rakesh Thakur. Pratipa Tyagi. Qing You. For the Master of Science, Network Systems, Alex Kuriakose. Sankalpa Pokhrel. Duc Tan Vo. That concludes the awards for the Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology. I now call upon Professor Bernardine van Gramberg, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Graduate Research and Research Training, to present the graduates from Swinburne Research.
Chancellor, graduates of higher degree by research at Swinburne must demonstrate that their work meets the most rigorous standards. The outcome of their scholarship and research is examined by international experts to ensure that it makes a significant and original contribution to their field at international standards. Many of our doctoral graduates have presented their work at international conferences and published in international refereed journals. During their candidature, they've already been contributing to Swinburne's growing international research reputation. So as we congratulate them on receiving their award, we ask that they join the university staff on the stage. While these achievements are indeed remarkable and worthy of celebration, it's worth taking a moment to just reflect on what making an original contribution to knowledge really means. To succeed in research, you need to have the courage to go into the unknown. Every thesis is a journey. It's a journey of risk-taking, resulting in mistakes and failures and successes all in equal measure, and without which progress is simply not possible. Our graduates leave Swinburne as world experts in their field, but they're armed with finely honed skills to be curious, to take risks, to disrupt convention, and to forge new paths. They also have the right expertise to make a real impact in the world. Swinburne is immensely proud that our research graduates will continue to make a significant contribution to the advancement of knowledge, to solving challenges confronting our world, and to enriching the communities in which they live and work. Today, we salute the courageous and we wish you well as you continue your adventure into the unknown. Chancellor, I have the honour to present to you the graduates on whom a doctorate has been conferred. For thesis citations, please refer to the graduation ceremony program. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Baha Qasim Mohammed Al-Musawi for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Al-Musawi's thesis title is Detecting BGP Anomalies Using Recurrence Quantification Analysis. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Scott Nathan Barnett for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Barnett's thesis title is Extracting Technical Domain Knowledge to Improve Software Architecture. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Anne Belsky for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Belsky's thesis title is Investigation and Monitoring of Suspended Sediment in Port Phillip Bay, Victoria, by means of satellite observations and numerical observations. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Behrouz Bodari for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Bodari's thesis title is Optimization Approaches for Scheduling Disaster Emergency Operations with Multiple Resources. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. T. Huang In Dang for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Dung's thesis title is Comparative Investigation of miRNAs in halophilic marine bacteria and barley plants. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Mohammed Faizan Urab for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Faizan Urab's thesis title is Development of Three-Dimensional Multi-Component Model for Cold Spray Direct Manufacturing Processes. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Mustafa Fashi for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Fashi's thesis title is Anomaly Detection Using Logs and Metrics Analysis for System Application Operations. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Romel Nano Jacob Georgis for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Georges' thesis title is Performance of Polymeric Treated Pavement Foundation Materials under Static and Dynamic Loading. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Maria Mitrevska for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Mitrevska's thesis title is Robust Repetitive Control with an Application to a Linear Actuator. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Alya Mireille Mohammed for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Mohammed's thesis title is Enhancement of Transport Properties of Cement Mortar and Concrete by Using Graphene Oxide. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Tae Hong Fong Win for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Win's thesis title is The Bioeffects of a High-Frequency Electromagnetic Field in the Microwave Range. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Shiva Raj Pokhrel for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Porkrell's thesis title is Modelling and Performance Evaluation of TCP over Last Mile Wireless Networks. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Ram Chandra Sarkar for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Sarkar's thesis title is Integrating End Uses of Water Modelling into Demand Forecasting. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Chi Ho Un for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Un's thesis title is Creep Behaviour of Geopolymer Concrete. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Danae Voll for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Voll's thesis title is Accelerating Discovery in the Pettascale Astronomy Era. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Yang Jun Wang for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Wang's thesis title is Lifetime Quality Management for Multi-Tenant Service-Based Systems. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Kai Zhu for the Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Zhu's thesis title is Coherence Analysis of Compressive Sensing-Based Magnetic Resonance Imaging Reconstruction. Chancellor, that concludes the awards for Swinburne research. I now call upon Professor Linda Christensen, AO, Vice-Chancellor and President of Swinburne University of Technology, to present the University Medal Awards.
University medals are prestigious awards recognising the most outstanding students across all higher education levels at Swinburne University of Technology. Chancellor, I have the honour to present to you the graduates awarded university medals in 2017. Chancellor, for the most outstanding doctorate student, the Ian Wallace Research Medal. Of course, Swinburne would not be the university it is today without the vision and energy of its foundation Vice-Chancellor, Professor Ian Wallace. It was Professor Wallace's potent mix of Scottish determination and Australian can-do attitude that was behind the vision to create in Swinburne a world-class university. Professor Wallace was central in driving Swinburne's metamorphosis to allow us to become the university it is today. Emboldened by Professor Wallace's leadership, we have created a highly engaged university that is known for our world-class research. Most importantly, our graduates and our research leaders are creating social and economic impact for Australia and the global community. Ian, we thank you. The recipient of the Ian Wallace Research Medal is Dr. Li Fu. Dr. Li Fu is unable to join us today, but Dr. Fu's supervisor, Associate Professor Emin Yu, will be accepting the prize on his behalf. Dr. Li Fu's thesis title is Synthesis of Two-Dimensional Material-Based Nanocomposites as Advanced Catalysts. For thesis citation, please refer to the graduation ceremony. Chancellor, for the most outstanding undergraduate student in the Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology, I present to you Caitlin Elizabeth Ingham. Caitlin graduated today with a Bachelor of Science. Chancellor, that concludes the presentation of the university medals. I now invite Caitlin Ingham to speak on behalf of the graduates.
Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, members of the University Council, Swinburne staff, fellow graduates and guests. Today, each student in this room has reached the end of what is a significant part of their individual journey. We are all here to celebrate our graduation. On behalf of the graduating students, I would sincerely like to thank everyone who has supported us on our way. From the very beginning, we have felt like a part of the university community. Swinburne has a fantastic reputation, not only for its standard of teaching, but also for its close, supportive environment. Staff at Swinburne especially deserve our thanks for their assistance over the years. Every student here has been taught by people with a passion for what they do. We must also thank our classmates for accompanying us on the journey. It's been a privilege to share the classroom with people aiming for similar goals. But it's not just assignments and exams that make up a degree. It's also about growing as a person, something we couldn't have done without the invaluable support of our friends and families. Throughout all the challenges and rewards, they've been there for us, helping us to juggle our priorities and fit in some leisure time, offering financial assistance, and simply being there for us. For all of us, this is a very proud moment. And we are honoured to have you here with us today, celebrating our success. Now, as we look at starting new journeys, we acknowledge those who have contributed to our studies. The knowledge, friendships, and experience we have gained during our time at Swinburne will help us to succeed on whichever path we choose. To my fellow graduates, congratulations and good luck for the future.
Thank you very much, Caitlin. To Swinburne graduates, I know that today is the culmination of years of hard work, and that during this time, as Caitlin mentioned, you've had the encouragement and help of family and friends. On yours and the university's behalf, I wish to thank them for their support of your studies at Swinburne and for being here to see you graduate. Graduates, can I ask you to please stand, turn to face your family and friends, and join me in a round of applause to say thank you to those who have helped you reach this important milestone. Thank you. Graduates, please resume your seats. Graduates, I hope that you will consider that your graduation is a step along the path of a lifelong association with Swinburne. Education is a continuing process, and I invite you to Swinburne in the future to further your studies. I encourage you to keep in touch with us through Swinburne alumni. At graduation, you, like I did, automatically become lifelong members of Swinburne alumni, a worldwide network of more than 170,000 people. This network gives you access to a valuable community of professionals who share your connection to Swinburne, a powerful tool for building and developing your careers and for lifelong opportunities. As well as functions in Australia, Swinburne alumni has a growing number of chapters in other parts of the world. So even if you are leaving Melbourne, you can continue your participation in Swinburne activities. Graduates, on your behalf, I also wish to take this opportunity to thank the academic and professional staff of the university for their contribution to your education. Could I ask all staff to please rise? And graduates, please join me in a round of applause for the Swinburne staff. Thank you. It now gives me pleasure to call upon Professor Linda Christensen, AO, Vice-Chancellor and President of Swinburne University of Technology, to deliver the charge to the graduates.
Before I read the charge to graduates, on behalf of the staff at Swinburne University, I would like to congratulate you on your achievements that we are honouring today. You graduate today with a deep understanding of your disciplines and an appreciation of the expectations of your chosen professions. You also graduate from Swinburne having gained distinctive graduate attributes that we believe will help you in your future careers. You have become more reflective communicators, better problem solvers, and gain proficiency in working effectively in teams. And I trust that you have experienced and reflected upon the values that we espouse. One of the greatest benefits of achieving a qualification from Swinburne is the opportunity to meet and study with people from different countries and different cultures. Friendships developed can be lifelong and mutually beneficial. You are our future leaders, and the relationships you foster will help build a prosperous global community. I look forward to your ongoing engagement with us, and I wish you the very best for the future. May I now ask the graduates to please stand for the charge. In the conferral of your award, I ask you, as graduates of Swinburne University of Technology, to strive to practice the university's values of integrity, accountability, teamwork, innovation, sustainability, and respect for diversity. I ask you to seek positive and creative ways to engage with and serve your communities. I ask you to remain curious and open to new learning and new experiences. And finally, use your knowledge, talents, skills, and passion to encourage a better future for the global community. Please be seated. Congratulations and go well.
This concludes the official part of this Swinburne graduation ceremony.